Hello, here is Mani. So welcome back to my channel e-learning point. So today I am gonna share with you an interesting story and it's about the talking parrot. Once a lady wanted to buy a talking parrot for herself. So she went to a pet shop owner and told him about her requirement. The shop owner said, "Yes madam, I have a talking parrot." Then he showed her a parrot. The owner further said, "If you pull the string on the left leg, he will say, 'Hey, how are you?' And if you pull the string on the right leg, he will say, 'I'm fine, thank you.'" At this, the lady asked, "What if I pull both the strings?" "Then I would fall from this perch, you stupid lady," answered the parrot. So thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed it. So kindly subscribe and like my channel.